Becoming a self-made millionaire with no money may seem like an impossible task, but it is achievable with the right mindset and habits. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to become a self-made millionaire with no money. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Now before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. How to build wealth from nothing. Another thing you've got to do is, every time you make money, put a portion of it into a savings account to not be spent. Even if you work a minimum wage job, it's important to do this. Saving $1 is better than not saving anything. Being a self-made millionaire takes time. Even if you can save only a little bit out of each paycheck, that's your first stepping stone to work your way up to saving even more. Most financial advisors recommend that you save about 10 or 15% of the annual gross income you bring home. If you start early enough, you could retire at 60 years old with $1 million. Analyze your purchases for the month to determine what you're spending and find ways to lower them. This takes no money at all, but it helps you in becoming a millionaire. Those who earn low or average wages are going to find that it is very hard to do this. I'm not going to sugarcoat it and say you can become a millionaire on a minimum wage job. The fact is, you probably can't without additional income. Everyone has essential expenses you can't get around. Some people take it extreme and live on no money so they can save their entire paycheck. With all the savings tips in your head, that still might not be enough because you just don't earn enough money. The goal here is to increase your income and earn extra money. Self-made millionaires focus on 7 main income streams that are both active and passive. It's a combination of these income streams that get them a high net worth. Ways to become millionaires from nothing. So much about success boils down to mindset. People with a positive can-do mindset combined with sharp critical thinking and business skills can go far despite starting at zero. Number 1. Have a vision. Self-made millionaires have a clear vision of their life. A focus on an idea or business defines their life. Instead of waiting around for the universe to do the work, they put in the hard work and take the steps to make their vision come true. Take a look at your current life and write down what would need to change in order for it to equal your vision. Make small actionable steps every single day to work towards your goal. Number 2. Surround yourself with supporters. Often, we surround ourselves with naysayers and people who keep you down because they're familiar. But if you're wanting to become something you aren't, you need to surround yourself with people who are closer to or on their way there themselves. These people will be supporters to you instead of discouraging your ideas, no matter how improbable they sound right now. Ambitious people feed off each other's energy and can help drive you to action. Number 3. Be selective with your time. Stop doing the things that won't make you rich. It's simple in theory, but so much harder to do in practice. While having hobbies and volunteering is good, if you find that all of your free time goes to these activities, it's time to reassess. There are only so many hours in a day, and if you don't leave enough time to work towards your goals, you'll get nowhere. Always have an outlet for relaxing, but perhaps you don't need to spend 4 hours playing video games or leisurely shopping every weekend. By redirecting even a fraction of that time towards something that makes you money, you'll be much farther ahead. Number 4. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can mean a few different things from schooling to mentorship. After you've made a plan with the steps you need to take to complete your vision and become rich, assess whether you have any gaps in knowledge. If your vision is to start an online business, but you don't know the first thing about online business, then you'll need to delve into that realm. While many things can be found for free, it often saves more time and energy to purchase training from an expert in the field. Number 5. Don't look for quick fixes. Get-rich-quick schemes are just that, schemes. If the money was quick to be earned, it's also probably quick to be lost. Building generational wealth takes time and is more stable when done with a series of tried and true investments. Stay away from unproven startups and investment opportunities from your buddies if you're serious about building wealth. Millionaires who started from nothing often found themselves with a passion and clear goal of what they hoped to accomplish. They focused solely on their goal and weren't looking to take a shortcut. Number 6. Invest your earnings wisely. Most millionaires invest in either real estate or the stock market, often both. Now, before you start throwing your savings into either of these, it's important to have a complete understanding of what you're investing in. Meet with a financial professional or immerse yourself in literature about either of these. Your goal is to gain a complete understanding of the investment vehicle you're leaning towards. If you don't understand it, hold off on investing in it until you do. Number 7. Always keep learning. Self-made millionaires never stop learning. Having a true curiosity about life and a desire to learn is what made many millionaires successful. Don't think this means you have to go to college. In fact, many self-made billionaires dropped out of college before finishing their degree. No matter what field you want to enter, learn everything you can about it. Follow the experts who have proven success and learn from their early mistakes. Now that you know the habits and general ways millionaires make money, the following tips are ways to manage your money to give you the best outcome for building wealth. Avoid inflation. Inflation increases costs, so cut back on expenses to save money. Consider a less expensive house, downgrade your vehicle, and use EBT or meal kit plans to save on food. Meal planning and freezer meals can also help. Becoming a millionaire is hard work, but it's possible with discipline and effort. Prioritize spending habits. You don't have to deprive yourself of basic things or guilty pleasures. Prioritize needs, save 10%, splurge on the rest. Stay on track with financial goals, and don't stop living life. Create a budget or saving system. To become a millionaire, you need a budget, savings, and discipline. Here are some tips to help you achieve your goal. Track your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and where you can cut back. Save 10 to 15% of your income. This is a good rule of thumb for saving money, but you may need to save more or less depending on your financial situation. Invest your savings. This is a great way to grow your money over time. Boost earnings. The best way to become a millionaire and increase your net worth is by making more money. Consider starting a blog, freelance writing, and other freelance opportunities. You'll find that the journey to success begins when you're focusing on being an entrepreneur. This means looking for things that are free and focusing on the value you get from what you buy. It's also closely related to how well you do online. You can earn money from phone pics, sell photos online, post various streams of videos or podcasts, and come up with other ways to make profits. Free money. That's right, you can get free money. If you've got the extra time, invest in using these apps that pay you real money. It's not going to earn you a ton of money, but it can help you get started on making extra money without being too limited with time. There are many app games on your smartphone that allow you to earn cash. You can also answer questionnaires and other things. None of them are secrets, but you should research them all first to ensure that you're not wasting time. Turning millionaire is a big proposition and one that is going to require you to be on the ball at every step of the game. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.